Hello guys, this is your friend Arman and today I have come up with a great video of mine. Here today I will teach you how to do the reading, and here I am having my book of Cambridge University Press of IELTS 12 Academic. So we are just going to do the reading, and so let's get started. So here is it. So let's find out the reading passage. We will have to do it first. So here we have just got, and our heading is call. Just read it. You are able to see it nicely. Yeah. So most of the students, they are not able to understand. So here we are having false, true, false, not given. Firstly, I'll tell you the difference between false and not given. The difference between false and not given is that false, the line is contradictory, like its opposite, and in not given, it is not, the line is not over there in the paragraph. So let's get started. So today our first line is true false. The cork oak has the thickest bark of any living tree. So let's find it out in our paragraph. So here is our what we call keywords: cork oak, thickest, any living tree. So we will have to find it in the paragraph. So let's find it out. So first is cork oak. So we are able to see it over here, cork oak, and right now thickest we will have to find over here. Yeah, here it is, cork oak thickness. So let's just read it, that is it same over there. Yeah, so let's read it. And the cork oak itself is an extraordinary tree. Its bark grows up to 20 centimeter in thickness, insulting the tree like a cord wrapped around the trunk. So let's read it as well. The cork oak has the thickest bark of any living tree. No, it is not over there. There is nothing mentioned like this. So what is it? It answer will be not given. Yeah, NG. So next we have just found it out. Next is scientists have developed a synthetic cork with the same cellular structure as natural cork. So let's find out in our paragraph. Here is our keyword. Just remember it forever of our keywords, that is scientists develop synthetic cork, cellular structure, and natural cork. We will have to find it out in our paragraph. So let's see. So here we are just going to see, here we are not able to find it out. Let's see in another. So here we will just have to be concentrate on it, that how is it. So we should just see one or two words of it. Synthetic or cellular structure. Yeah, just remember it, and we will have to find it out. Just where is it written? Structure. Yeah, here just see, it is written over here. I'll just have to do it first, then I'll just show you how to do it. Yeah, here just see, cork oak cellular structure. Just you are able to see with so let's see the question as well. What is it? Scientists have developed a synthetic cork with the same cellular structure as natural cork. So let's see, where is it? So yeah, here it is. Developed most probably as a defense against forest fires. The bark of cork oak has a particular cellular structure with about 40 million cells per public centimeter. The technology has never succeeded in replicating. What they said? Technology has never succeeded. Here just read it. Never succeeded in replicating. It means they have not developed it. So definitely it is just contradictory, I say. Definitely we have just read it by yourself. Here what they said? Scientists have developed, but they said they have not succeeded. So definitely it is contradictory. So the next one is individual cork oak trees must be left for 25 years between the first and second harvest. So here is our keywords: individual cork oak tree, 25 years between first and second harvest. So let's find it out in our paragraph. Where we find it, we will just come to know. So let's see it in our paragraph. So 25 years. Yeah, here we have just got it. 25 years. So let's read it. From the planting of a cork spelling to the first half takes a 25 years and a gap of approximately a decade. A decade means I can say a 10 years period must separate harvested from an individual tree. And see over here what they said, individual cork oak. So definitely they are talking about a decade. So definitely it is just what? Contradictory. It is also contradictory. Yeah. So the next one is we are going to, that is, let's read it. Cork bark should be stripped in dry atmospheric conditions. Our stripped atmospheric conditions. Here is our keywords. Let's locate in our paragraph. Stripped we will have to find. Let's just find out where we just get it. Just over here we will just find it out. Stripped. Let's find it in another. If we are, yeah, here is, we can say stripping. Yeah, so let's read it. Stripping cork has been invented, so the job is done by cork harvesting. Yeah, so definitely they has been invented, so definitely it is true. Definitely it is. You have just read and you have seen it. So the next is, the only way to remove the bark from cork oak tree is by hand. So now we will have to find these cork oak trees and by hand remove. Yeah, we should just have understanding, we just need, and we will find it. So let's see in the paragraph. Here is our paragraph. We will cork. Here we have cork harvesting specialist. Cork bark has been invented. Job done by. Oh, see over here what is written. Just see. Job is done by teams of highly skilled workers. So how the people just do? By hands. So definitely it is also true. So here we are going to write true. So we have, just see guys, we have completed false, true, false, not given. So right now we will just find what? Another, we will just be over here. So here it is, fill in the blanks, in which we, some student, they also have problems. So let's find it out. What is it? First, do not affect the dash of the bottle contents. So let's find out in the paragraph. Here also there will be scanning now, bottle contents. So let's find it out. Here no bottle contents, we are not able to find. Here let's see it. Chlorimol, the tiniest concentration as little. Yeah, here say trillion can spoil the taste of the product contained in the bottle. Just see. Contained in the bottle means, here see, bottle contents. So what? Do not affect, to whom? Can spoil. Spoil what? The taste. So what is our answer? Here over here its answer is taste. You can just see, we have just found it out. It means is taste. We have just found the answer. Next is, are dash to produce what? Let's find it out. Are dash to produce, has the result have been these substitutes. Here see, these substitutes are cheaper to manufacture, and manufacture means are produce. Here produce what? Cheaper to produce. Here I have just found it out, cheaper to produce. Here just see, these substitutes are cheaper to manufacture. You know, they just use different vocabulary, we should know, then we will be able to find it out. So what? Are cheaper to manufacture means produce. So we have found it out. The next is, we will just found it out, do it quickly. Are dash to use what? Let's see. What is so easily to use? And in the case of screw caps, more convenient. What? Convenient for the users. Use means use. So definitely what will be the answer? The answer will be convenient. So let's see, right over here. It is convenient. I'm going to write over here, its answer is convenient to use. Yeah, we have just found it out. Another, we will just move on. Advantages of cork bottle stoppers suit the dash of quality products. What? Let's see in next paragraph. The classic cork stop does have several advantages. However, firstly, its traditional image is more in keeping. What? Image. How we found it out? Just see. Quality products. I have just read it over here. Here, quality goods means what? Image. They just see image. So that is the answer, image. Yeah, we have just found it out. Next, we will just see. What is it? Made from a dash material. Which material is that in which it is made from? Let's see which material. Let's read it. In which it has been long associated. Secondly, and very importantly, cork is a sustainable product. Here is product, sustainable product. Product means, product means, just see, material. So what? Which material? Sustainable. So definitely we have done. It's so easy, I say. Yeah, we have done it. It's a sustainable material. Yeah. So what next is easily dash. What easily dash? Just see. Product that can be what? Recycled without difficulty. What? Easily means, easily means is without difficulty, and without difficulty, easily. What? Recycled. So our answer is just, it is recycled. So here just see, here it is written, easily means without difficulty. What? Recycled. See over here, recycled. So it's so easy. So the next is, we can just see cork for forest aid. So let's find it out over in our paragraph. So let's just see. Without moreover, cork forests are a spot which spot local what? Biodiversity. So here I have just found it, cork forests aid what? Biodiversity. So let's write over here, biodiversity. So see over here, I have just found it so easily. Just you can see over here, it is written over cork forests. So definitely we have found it out. So let's find another one. That is cork forest stop dash happening. What happening? Let's see. What is it? And prevent desertification the regions where they are planted. What? Desertification. So here we are going to write desertification. So definitely see, we have found the fill in the blanks, true, false, not given. So guys, it was so easy. We should just have confidence, understanding, and we should just use skimming and scanning, and we will just find out. Like I have found out, you can see over here, I have just written all the answers. So it was so easy. So that's what I want to say, that I have just made it specially for you. So please like it and subscribe it, and I'll be grateful to you for it. And please write in the comment box that how did you like my video. So that's it guys, bye bye.